Manly just dropped something that might make your next build pop. A fresh white take on their Gallardo Racing Series, featuring the new GeForce RTX 5080 and RTX 5070 Ti. These aren't just the old black and orange boards with a paint job. Each card is massive, over 35 centimeters long and nearly 7 centimeters thick. So, yeah, that's a 3.5 slot beast. Make sure your case isn't cramped or you'll be in for a rough install. Both cards run on a single 16-pin power connector, so cable management is a breeze if you've got a beefy PSU. But the real story here is the cooling. Manly completely reworked their drag reduction system. The old model had that little motorized flap that opened when your GPU got toasty. Some folks thought it actually blocked airflow until it kicked in. Now, you get to choose swap out the flap cover, kill the motor, or just leave it wide open for max cooling. It's like having a street mode and a track mode, but for your GPU. Out of the box, both cards are clocked higher than stock. 2,670 MHz on the RTX 5080 and 2,512 MHz for the 5070 Ti. No manual overclocking needed, but here's the kicker. Right now, you can only snag these from Manli's Chinese store. The price? About $1,645 for the 5080 and $1,253 for the 5070 Ti. Strangely enough, the 5070T is cheaper than the 5080's official launch price in China. So, if you want that motorsport vibe, white-on-white style, and more control over your airflow, these Gallardo cards might be your next flex. Just be ready for a supercar-sized price tag. Thanks for tuning in. For more GPU news and build tips, hit that subscribe button and stay updated.